animation access, when we see animation, it's not only limited to just entertain, to make Tom and Jerry, or I think that nowadays animation has become vast. It's been used in every entertainment media, communication media, everywhere. Even the education also, the animation be used. So that we had a concept before the animation is like made. You being used to just make cartoon films, so called, we used to we must have seen it in childhood. And then when it comes in using it in movie, or using it in live action, or using it, is nothing more than just telling a story. I can say that that director is choosing particular media or medium or whatever, it just because of the story what he wants to tell. Maybe it can be more effective telling this way. So simple example, if I want to tell the story, maybe this has more content, or the whole core of the story, it will be like more effective if I tell this thing in a live action. So that will be his like medium. If someone decide, okay, someone animation movies people are making, and then directors, we say that they make live action also, because this K2S to kuch hota hai, the live action director has done the animation movie, so there's no any restriction which they don't do live action, or live action director don't do animation. It's not like that. In the Hollywood, you see the directors, big directors, they have animation plus the live action also. So for the director, the good director, if someone has to tell a story, then that doesn't make. Maybe he can make it in a clay, or maybe he can make it with the tell story through the puppet, which we had in Indian tradition. Telling a story through dance, through miming, through puppet, through anything, whatever it becomes more expressive, and which can reach to the audience. I think, and that's the this medium has to look at in that way. So if some director thinks that, okay, I have this content which like say Avatar has the story requirement, which creating completely fantasy world which doesn't exist, and then computer or 3D, which now with such a technology we have available right now to create that world which looks more believable, and then that way I can see the story is being more effective. The success of that movie is and it's contributing. Technology is contributing a lot. The medium is contributing a lot. If you do it this in the realistic, what they created the CG environment, it wouldn't have been that dynamic. I can say that the way the camera moves, the way the character, the way they gel with that world with the live action world. So just because of the medium, I can say this playing a big role in it. Because of the medium is becoming more effective. The way he's telling story, it gives like the weight, and he's like achieving what he wants to, reaching there. So that's the reason this now directors choose the medium, animation medium. Now it's become like that, like animation medium. I think it's